Broken Window Serenade by Whiskey Myers is a fantastic song for beginner guitar players because not only does it only have 2 chords, those 2 chords are actually pretty friendly to change between, okay? So the first thing we need to know, of course, is which 2 chords are we going to be using? We're going to be using Cadd9 and Em7, okay? So let's play a Cadd9 and learn how to do that. So the first finger comes to the 2nd fret of the D string. The 2nd finger comes to the 3rd fret of the A string. The 3rd finger comes to the 3rd fret of the B string. And the pinky comes to the 3rd fret of the high E string. Once you've got those fingers in place, you're then going to strum 5 strings. And whenever you play this chord in this song, or just generally, you're not going to be playing the low E string, you're just going to be strumming 5 strings. If you do catch the low E string a little bit, I mean, don't worry about it too much. If you've only just started, you know, give yourself a chance, but just so you know. Now, from the Cadd9 to get to the Em7, what you do is you lift your 1st and 2nd fingers away, and you put the 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and the 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the D string. And then when you strum, you are going to strum all 6 strings. And that's your Em7. If you find yourself enjoying this lesson, check out my 10-day guitar Kickstarter. There's a link in the description. It's free. Now, the original tempo of the song is 150 beats per minute, but like I do in a lot of my videos, I use a metronome and I slow it right down so that you can play along with me. So what we're going to do now is break the strumming pattern down into 3 stages, and each stage will get progressively harder. So here's our 50 beats per minute metronome. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, down, up, 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 3 and 4 and change, down, down, up, 3 and 4 and down, down, up, 3 and 4 and down, down, up, 3 and 4 and down, down, up, 3 and 4. One more time, down, down, up, 3 and 4 and 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 down, down, up, 3 and 4 and. Now, of course, I've made that quite long so that you can go back if you want to, and you can keep practicing that strumming pattern to the metronome with me at 50 beats per minute. Keep it nice and musical, okay? Or if you'd prefer, you can use your own metronome and set the tempo to something a little quicker if that suits you. So, on to stage 2, which is the next stage of the strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down. So we're adding an extra up, down there, okay? So we're going to do that now. 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down and change, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, and another round, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, so that there is your second stage of the strumming pattern. Once again, if you want to rewind and play through as many times until it feels kind of comfortable, or you can use your own metronome, completely up to you. Now on to stage 3. So we're adding an additional up strum now. So it's going to go down, down, up, down, up. Now, for those of you who have been playing a short while, you may know this as the kind of go-to super popular strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, up, and can be used in tons and tons of songs, okay? So, here it is at 50 beats per minute, starting on the Cadd9. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and down, down, up, down, 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 and again, down, 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 up, 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 down, up. Okay, so there it is, the full strumming pattern. Now, of course, you're going to want to build the tempo over the weeks, maybe even the months to get to the full tempo, but you will get there if you maintain consistency and you practice every single day, okay? So I'm going to push the tempo now just a little bit. I'm going to push it to 100 just to give you an idea of what that feels like. Then I'll do the full tempo. So 100 beats per minute sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, down, up, down, 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 and again, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, so there we have it at 100 beats per minute. And again, if you can't play it at 100 yet, don't worry. Or if 100's a bit slow, then creep it up. But don't forget, if you've got your own metronome, you can go up in increments of 1 beat per minute. You know, you wouldn't necessarily jump from 50 up to 100 and then 150. Okay, this is just kind of an example. So here it is, the full tempo, the song tempo, and I'm sure you're aware of what this sounds like if you've heard the song by Whiskey Myers. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Couple of pretty flowers is what I brought to you. I saw you through an open window with a different point of view. You had signs of depression, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I hope you can gather what's going on there. Alrighty, if you enjoyed learning that song and you want to learn another simple song on the guitar, check out the video that is on your screen now.